In this lesson, we will talk about search functions. So search functions are used to search for a value of a certain data, which may come from a different workbook or a different worksheet, as long as you have a common column to refer to. The most commonly used lookup functions are VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup, so you're looking vertically first. Let's see how it works in Excel. In this example, we will try to look for the industry name of each company and the short name, the industry short name of each company. We only have the industry code, which is this, right? And we don't have the name and the short name of the company, which can be found in another sheet. This is our reference sheet. So this is the critical table that we will use in our VLOOKUP function. Okay, so in order for us to look for the industry name, we will use VLOOKUP and then look for this. Where should we look? We will look here. You can select the entire column or just select the table itself. Okay, and then how many columns do we need from the leftmost column? Okay, in VLOOKUP, you will always start with the leftmost column of your selected reference table, right? So this is the first column, this is the second column. I need the second column, so I will put 2 here. And then the match type, right? Again, if you want approximate match, like something close to what we're looking for, then we will use true. But if you want the exact match, we will use false. So PF, we found out that this is financial institution based on our VLOOKUP, right? Let's try this in PT. PT is telecommunication, just to check. We look back here. PT is telecommunication. Yes, that's true. Okay, that's how we do VLOOKUP. We will try this in this short name. So short name now in our reference table, short name, industry short name is on the third column. So instead of putting 2 in our column index here, we will change this to 3 because our short name, the column that we need is on the third column from the leftmost value. Okay, so that's how we do this. On another note, you can also use 0 and 1 for your match type instead of writing true or false. Okay, so you will write 1 for true for approximate match or 0 for false or exact match. Just to show why, because in Excel, the numerical value of true or false is 1 and 0. Let me just quickly show you. So that's 1 for true and 0 for false. So you can also substitute 0 here so that you will not type. It will give you the same answer. Okay. That's it. Now we will take a look at HLOOKUP. This works as you are looking horizontally first and then looking at the rows from top to bottom. Let's see how it works. So this is our reference table for HLOOKUP. Let's say we want to show the total revenue for BDO Unibank using HLOOKUP function. So it's like asking Excel to look for the 7th row from the topmost row in our table, but using BDO as your value, as your lookup value. So we write it this way, HLOOKUP, and then we write BDO Unibank. Okay, this is what we're looking for. And then our reference table is this, right? And then we write 7 for our row index number. 7 because the total revenue is on the 7th row if you count from the topmost row. Okay. And then again, the match type, it's either true or false. We want the exact match, which is false. So this is our total revenue for BDO Unibank. We'd also try 2017 revenue of Nestle Philippines using HLOOKUP as well. So 2017 is on the fourth row from your topmost row, and we want this Nestle Philippines Incorporated, right? So we will try to do it again. HLOOKUP Nestle Philippines. And then the same table, but instead of writing 7, since we want 2017, that's on the fourth row. So we write 4 and then the match type. So we have found this. This is our value for the 2017 revenue of Nestle Philippines using H. Look.